everyone. So if you know, I think in the last video before last, I mentioned about some mail that had gone missing from the lovely Jessica Marvel, and guys, she was so generous and kind to send me out another friend mail package, and it arrived today. I'm so happy. As soon as I opened it and I saw a pic, I knew who it was from before even opening the card. So I've already taken it out of the envelope that she sent it in, and she was so sweet. She actually sent it special delivery as well to make sure that it got to me. So I'm really, really happy and grateful for that, Jessica. Thank you so much, because we know that postage nowadays is scandalous, to say the least, really. But anyway, we won't go off track today. And look at this lovely card. I absolutely think it's so cute. She stamped and coloured. Yeah, I think these might be alcohol markers. Coloured it, and it's in lovely pastel colours, and it's got this cute little elephant, and she's fussy cutted it, because I know Jessica Marvel is not one to fussy cut. She always says that fussy cutting is not her thing. But look at this card that she's made. Absolutely beautiful. I love pastel colours, everyone. So yeah, it's just so up my street. And then she just said, to Cheryl. And anyway, I'm so sorry I sent these to not your address. I made stamps of all the Jamie, I'm not going to be able to say it, Doherty faces I have that you haven't shown. Feel free to photocopy and use for your pleasure, Jessica Marvel. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jessica. Oh my goodness. So guys, if you know, I was actually influenced by Jessica's video and her lovely piece of artwork that she done for my 5x5 giveaway, and I started collecting these stamps. These are premium marketing stamps. They are by a design, I think it's a designer called Jamie Doherty. I always get his surname, I can't say his surname. And it's come from a collection called Bloom, and they are quite large. You can see by my hand, very large stamps, and I bought quite a few of them, and I have shown them in a video. And Jessica also collects them, and she has kindly stamped the ones that I don't have. And so yeah, these are absolutely, I can't remember the names of all of them, guys, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So she's done really lovely crisp stamps. I can't wait to actually start to colour these. Oh. And she's used really nice thick paper as well, card paper, cardstock, really smooth. And so I'll just show you. Oh, she's really gone and collected. I don't think she has them all, but she's got a good collection of them as well. So I think this one's called Mother. I know that one, I've seen that one, but I don't remember the names of all of the other ones. And I want to say Sparkle, but I don't think that one's right. But this is the one she used for my 5x5 art. Don't worry, guys, I will be back to show you how I've coloured them in. And these are the other two as well. Oh, she has so many. This one as well. I know all of them. I've seen all of them. I don't think there's any that I haven't actually seen. I actually do have this one and this one. And I've attempted to colour this one. Haven't coloured this one. I think I have stamped them, but haven't coloured them yet. Actually, no, she done this one for my 5x5. Why did I think she done the other one? Or maybe that was one that I wanted to actually get. So yeah, honestly, that was so thoughtful of you, Jessica. Thank you so much. And then yeah, oh, she's got this one as well. And then this lovely one. So thank you so much, Jessica. Really appreciate it, and it's so generous of you, and to redo it again because of the first one going missing. So guys, long story short, where I was based before in my office, I've actually moved now, just with everything that's going on, raising rates and everything. I've now moved. The address is on the website. I'm still having a few problems in some, I think it might only be the internal parts of the website getting it changed. I need to contact the company that runs it to find out about that. But everything is up and running as usual, but just behind the scenes I've had to pack everything up, move it to another location, and then unpack everything. And then, yeah, you can imagine, it's just like moving house really. So it has been August was really a big month for me. Lots of changes, lots of preparation, and yeah, I'm just so glad that it's all done now, ready to rock and roll. And if you don't know, I do actually own a small craft shop. I sell craft papers such as brands like Echo Park, Doodlebug, Photoplay. I've had also some Stamperia. I'm looking actually to get some more things in, guys, so keep a lookout on the website. The link is always in the description down below, but if you do want to, you can also subscribe. At the moment you'll get 10% off your first order, and also you'll get alerts and emails when new stock comes in, and when things are, or if things are restocked. So yeah, so thank you again, Jessica. Absolutely love it. I will be back on to show you guys once I've coloured these in. Oh, I just want to ask Jessica, which ink did you, well, you did say I could photocopy them, so maybe just depending on which ink you used, I'll see if I can use alcohol markers or watercolor, either paint or pens or something. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.